Hello students, today we are going to study Unit 2 Consumers Equilibrium and Demand, Chapter Elasticity of Demand, Part 1. In the last chapter, we studied about law of demand. The law of demand states that there is inverse relation between price and quantity demanded. That is, increase in price leads to decrease in demand, decrease in price leads to increase in demand, while other things remain constant. But in this chapter, we are going to study about elasticity of demand, which measures the extent to which quantity demanded of a commodity changes in response to change in any of its determinants. So elasticity of demand measures the degree of responsiveness of quantity demanded of a commodity to change in its price, price of other commodities, and change in income of the consumer. Accordingly, elasticity of demand is of three types: price elasticity of demand, income elasticity of demand, cross elasticity of demand. We will study about only price elasticity of demand. Other two are not a part of syllabus. Now, price elasticity of demand. It is a degree of change in demand in response to change in own price of a commodity, or it is defined as measurement of percentage change in quantity demanded due to percentage change in own price of a commodity. Percentage method. According to this method, elasticity of demand is measured as a ratio between percentage change in quantity demanded of commodity X and percentage change in price of X. So you can write down the formula: elasticity of demand is equal to minus percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. We write minus sign in front of formula because it is indicating the inverse relation between price and demand. Now you look at the formula. Let us learn how to derive the formula. So it is elasticity of demand is equal to minus percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Percentage change in quantity demanded is equal to change in demand upon initial demand multiplied by 100, and percentage change in price is change in price upon initial price multiplied by 100. So we can write it like Q1 minus Q upon Q, then P1 minus P upon P, which is equal to minus delta Q upon delta P upon P. So we get a formula that is minus delta Q upon Q multiplied by P upon delta P. So while doing numerical, we will use this formula. Here ED means price elasticity of demand, Q means initial demand, Q1 demand after change in price. This is known as new demand. P is initial price, P1 is new price. Delta Q change in demand, delta P is equal to change in price. Now let us try to solve the numerical. Here it is given. So initial price of ice cream is rupees 4. So here P is equal to rupees 4. and initial demand, that is Q, is equal to 1 cup only. If the price of ice cream falls to rupees 2 per cup, demand increases to 4 cup. So new price, that is P1, is equal to rupees 2 and new demand Q1 is equal to 4 cups. So let us calculate delta P. It is equal to P1 minus P, which is equal to rupees 2 minus rupees 4 is equal to minus 2. In the same way, we will calculate delta Q, which is equal to Q1 minus Q, which is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3 cups. Let us put the values in the formula. P upon Q, P is 4, Q is 1, delta Q upon delta P, 3 upon minus 2. And we will get answer 6. It is elasticity is greater than 1. Means demand is elastic. So some more numericals are given in the chapter. This is an homework for you, student. Try to solve those numericals.